What is up, everybody? Jessica here from Seaqual South Africa, your #1 specialist plumbing product manufacturer. And in today's video, I'm going to be chatting to you about our BalconyDrain, which is a surface drain that gives you the highest quality finish for any external application, from balconies and patios to atriums and courtyards. BalconyDrain comes packaged as a first or a second fix or as a complete unit and is locally manufactured at our factory in Knysna, South Africa. The components that make up our BalconyDrain include an F-box, waterproofing flange, M-cert, grate, and 3 protective covers. The recyclable protective covers keep the drainage units clean and debris-free during installation. We offer our customers the flexibility to purchase BalconyDrain in 2 stages, a first fix and a second fix. This option was specifically introduced with larger projects in mind, where there is often a significant time gap between the wet works and the finishing phase. The first fix includes the F-box, waterproofing flange, and protective cover. These components are required before the concrete slabs are poured. The second fix, consisting of the M-cert and grate, is supplied later when the finishing phase begins. By splitting the order, we aim to support contractors with cash flow management and reduce the risk of the second fix components being lost, stolen, or damaged on site. The F-box or first fix is available with either a vertical or horizontal outlet in both 50mm and 75mm sizes. We also offer a low-profile 75mm side outlet option for more compact installations. Constructed from durable ABS, the F-box features a slightly tapered outlet designed for easy and secure connection to a PVC waste pipe or socket using heavy-duty PVC cement. Integrated lugs allow the F-box to be tied to surrounding rebar framework during the cement pouring phase, or fixed directly to a wooden floor in the case of a timber frame home. Once the cement has cured, the protective cover is removed and replaced with a waterproofing flange, like so. The flange is wide, giving the waterproofing installer plenty of surface to work with, and its rough texture accepts both cementitious and torch-on waterproofing solutions, as well as other forms of waterproofing available. These 3 small feet assist the machine operator to release the product from the mold during manufacture. Should you need to reduce the height of the flange, then these feet can be trimmed away with a Stanley knife and the flange will fit flush with the base. Our waterproofing flange fits all of the F-boxes in our range. A unique feature of this product are the weep holes that run all along the waterproofing rim. As far as we know, ours is the only product on the market with this feature, and here's why we've incorporated them into the design. Building materials such as concrete and grouting are porous. Therefore, a small amount of water that flows over their surface will seep through and build up around the drain, resulting in damp issues that are costly and difficult to repair. However, with Seaqual's waterproofing flange, any water that does seep through the grouting and screed will collect on the waterproofing membrane, flow down towards the flange, and instead of accumulating around the drain, will pass through the weep holes directly into the drain. With BalconyDrain, you can choose from 6 different second fix options to achieve a flawless finish for your installation. These include a 110 by 110mm 316 marine grain stainless steel grate in a square hole design, or a larger 200 by 200mm version in the same style. We also do fully customizable options, including shapes or laser engraved detailing to suit your particular project. The third option is our TileGrate, a discrete hidden floor drain that blends seamlessly into tiled surfaces. To learn more about our TileGrate option, you can click on the video link in the bio below. In addition, we now offer 3 new metallic finishes, and that is the matte black, brushed bronze, and sleek gunmetal gray. Our entire full bore range has been certified by Agrément South Africa, confirming its fitness for purpose when installed in accordance with manufacturer specifications. BalconyDrain offers an average flow rate of 2 liters per second, depending on the pipe size, layout, position, and length selected. Technical data sheets, high-resolution photographs, and drawings in various formats are available on request. The product is backed by a 5-year warranty against manufacturer's defects. In addition, Seaqual's complete wet floor drain range has also received Agrément SA certification. To learn more about our wet floor drain, you can click on the video link in the bio below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, then do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have any questions or you wish to contact us directly, then you can visit our website www.seaqual.co.za or follow us on Facebook or Instagram on our handle @SeaqualSA for regular content and updates. All links are included in the bio of this video for your convenience. Have a great day and happy plumbing from all of us here at Seaqual.